Dave, and my lovely assistant Karen is holding the camera. And this is the patient, a 1-month-old Ikea office chair. The problem with these chairs is this caster here. They have what's called a safety feature where the wheels won't spin unless you're sitting in the chair. I'm going to show you how to disable that so the wheel spins smooth like this. What you'll need is a utility knife like this. And you'll want a fresh blade. You'll need it. And if you have it, a big pliers like this will help. What you'll do is you'll take this plier, put it on the caster like this, and cut off 4 little brake pads. And we're going to try and get this light on there so you can see the operation. This brake pad has already been cut off, but you can see what you're going to need to do. What do you think, Karen? You got that?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, let's put down the white cloth. Maybe that'll help. What do you think? Well, let's move along. When the surgery is over, you'll end up with 20 little brake pads that look like this here. So now we get to the fun part. We take it apart to show you a little better how it works inside and what you need to cut off. I saw a great tip on iFixit for prying these wheels off. You use 2 pry bars. You stick the ends in against the axle like this, and you pull like hell. Now, you have to pull really hard, and I was able to do it once, but I was afraid I might damage the chair, or worse yet, damage some important body part. So here's another way. Take your pliers and the biggest screwdriver you have. Put the pliers on the caster, something like this. And take your screwdriver, jam it against the axle and against the pliers, and pry like crazy. You still have to pry pretty hard. Now, you don't actually have to do that. I'm only taking the wheel off to show you what's inside. Let's move to this wheel, which I've already pried apart. The wheel actually slides off like this. There's no cotter pin, there's no retainer, it's just friction holding that on. Just pull that off, and now you can see the actual brake pads. Let me get my nice pointer here. This baby and that guy right there, those 2 plastic projections, that's what you need to cut off. What do you think, Karen? Can you see those?
Perfect. It looks like you've already cut off other 2.
I have cut off one on that side, so when you're done, it's flat like that. Mm-hmm. And you need to cut this off with your knife like this. Mm-hmm. And you got to push pretty hard. So what I suggest is when you're prying, you pry in this direction so you're not pushing that sharp knife blade against any part of your own body. And that's it. Thanks for watching.